Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your activity status on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see messages and story replies. So tap on that. Then you should see who can see that you're online. And then you just want to select show activity status. And this will just let you know, allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. You can continue to use our services if active status is off. So obviously all you need to do is toggle that off. And another thing you can do as well is click on show read receipts. So this will just let you know others can see when you've read their messages. So obviously if you want to hide that as well, just toggle that off. And that's how you can hide your activity status on Instagram. Thanks for watching.